There is no life without water. The ocean speaks truth. We listen. Seas are suffering. We advocate. The ocean provides the air we breathe, the food we share, the livelihoods we earn. The ocean is home to 80% of Earth's biodiversity. It carries 96% of the world's goods and services, and it is a critical climate moderator. IUCN is working to protect 30% of marine ecosystems, to ensure 100% sustainable use of ocean resources, to strengthen the ocean's role in fighting climate change, and to guard our high seas, the common heritage of humankind. To achieve this, we engage society with partners large and small. Join the International Union for Conservation of Nature in a moral commitment to restore ocean health for our future, for all, forever.